What do you want your holiday to be? Relaxing? Exciting? Invigorating? Romantic?
At Thomas Cook, we know a P&O Cruises holiday can be all of these, and so much more. From the historic sights of the Mediterranean to the exotic Caribbean, the choice is yours. And right now you can enjoy up to 50% off at Thomas Cook, the cruise experts. With cruises from just £499, you're at the start of a whole new adventure. For more information on P&O Cruises, call into your local Thomas Cook, go online, or call 08705 000 888.
P&O Cruises. There's a world out there.